Pre-intermediate 8. Space exploration. Is it worth the cost? Since the first moon landing in 1969, space exploration has been a topic of great debate. Some people argue that governments spend billions of dollars on space missions that could be used to solve urgent problems on Earth, such as poverty, hunger, and climate change. They believe that exploring other planets is a luxury that we cannot afford while so many people are suffering. However, supporters of space exploration suggest that benefits far outweigh the costs. They argue that the technology developed for space travel has many practical applications in our daily lives, including satellite communication, GPS systems, and advanced medical equipment. Furthermore, space exploration is about the survival of the human race in the long term. As Earth's resources are being depleted and the population continues to grow, we may eventually need to find other places to live or mine for resources. Projects like the colonization of Mars are no longer just science fiction. They are serious goals for organizations like NASA and SpaceX. Additionally, space missions inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. They push the boundaries of human knowledge and help us understand our place in the universe. While it's true that we have many problems to solve on our own planet, looking towards the stars encourages us to think as a single species rather than divided nations. In the end, curiosity is a fundamental part of being human, and exploring the unknown is how we progress.